Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be showing how to create an app in which you enter some data and it comes to a spreadsheet. For example, here is my app, I enter some data and that's get updated to this spreadsheet. So without a further ado, let's get started. So first we'll do the basic designing. I'll keep my background color and stuff. With this we start with a button, a text box, and a spinner. Here we go. Yes. Now after we have got all the stuff, we get ourselves two web readers. So I'm going to name one web. Let's keep it read, and let's name this add. Alright, so we are done with the basic thing. Now I'll just keep some text here. Update, and here we go. Now I will first start with the Excel sheet. So go to your drive and make a new Google sheet. Over here click this button and you come to this. Now we go to tools and create a new form. So once this form is created, you can name it hotel review app. Yes. Now we are going to put two questions. So it's just simple. You put a short answer here and keep the question name. So we'll say this name, like the name of the hotel, and we'll have another ones for the rating. So I'll just explain you why I have added these things. So in this app I'm creating a hotel review app. That's my theme. So this spinner will have some elements. So I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like how many stars are we rating this hotel, and a text box for the name of the hotel. Here we go. Yes. So now I'll take you to those things soon. Now first we get a shareable link of this. Let's keep it hotel review. I'll get this link here. Now we open the thing. Now before this we need to edit it from here to here. We'll name it as export format equals to CSV. Now CSV is basically the file type. So all the Excel files and stuff like the tables are stored in the CSV format, and this is the CSV format, and we take this because we are basically exporting it. So now if I click this, it will download to my computer. So we go here, ignore the rest of the code, it's just for a starting. I'll look around a bit. Yes, here. Now first thing I need to do is do the changes. I have already done this code. To keep it fast, I've done these things. Here we go. I'll explain you the code, don't worry. So first we start with all these variables. So we have hotel list. hotel list is basically all that CSV list which we have. So we start from here, we get ourselves a variable and hotel list, and we create a new empty list. Here we go. Now this list view, we'll come to it quick. I'll just update all of this. Yes. Now, yes, so we start from here. So what you need to do is that I showed you the link to copy over here. So we put this thing here. Format equals to CSV. Yes, so basically like we are exporting the CSV file into the app, and after we have set our URL, we make it get it. Now after this has done, we get this got text, we get our response and stuff. So we come to this code. Now all what happens over here is that the response we have gotten is stored to a variable. So like basically some data was entered here before, like I have this and there was some data like all this stuff. So first we get that data and store it to the hotel list, then we add the data from there. Now first we need to delete this line over here, so we delete it from this code. Remove list item list get hotel list index equals to 1. So this index equals to 1 is the line 1. Alright, now this is the list view. So we are going to like hide the list view, we'll remove it from visible and stuff. First we add it. So right now for testing I have kept this list view for here. Alright. And we switch it to list view 1 and get our data. Now we have the button once one clicked. So here what we are doing is we come to our review app, alright, and we get a pre-filled link. So basically like we have made a response, and for that particular response we get our link. So let's say I made this X and I put the rating about 2 to 1 or 1 I'll keep. I get this link and copy it. Now let's go to our edited place. So now I'll explain you this link. So right now we are not focusing on these things, but we are doing in this stuff. So what is happening here basically, this thing, this code, only the highlighted code is for this thing. Like you get what I'm meaning, this thing, that thing. The answer of this is X, like you can see right here X, and over here also we have an X. That X means that this is the answer of it. So if I come to this link, I get that pre-filled option. Alright, so now we are going to use that pre-filled link and edit some changes. So first we grab this and only take this part from here to here. We set our entry and we remove this X. Now X is basically the answer, so we are going to keep this question too. Yes, we are going to keep this question too, and the answer of this, like you get what I mean, this is the answer. This X is an answer and thus it comes to this form. Like that we are going to cut the code into parts. Now this is the part and this is the answer. So once we join it, the URL becomes as if that this thing is the answer. So this thing, what is this thing? It's the text box, the name of the hotel. So we get the name of the hotel, and then we have another response. So from here we add a question mark, and here and that this is another question. So we come here, we get the second entry code, which is this. We copy this till the equals to. Now same here, we have the rating as 1 and we got this answer as 1. And why have we put this URI encode? Because it's a text. Now computers can't understand text, right? So it just encodes. We don't need to code that. Yes. And this is the forum's response. So once we get the thing, this shareable link, we come here and we get a shareable link. Alright, so we come here, google.com forms response. Alright, so that's how we do it. And yeah, here we are. I was having just some issues, sorry. So now we grab our link, not the pre-filled link but the original ones. So the spreadsheet which we have, the thing, we copy this, we put it here, and instead of copying the same, we are going to come here, we are going to put this, and instead of edit we do form response. So the response of this form, like how we have this, the response of this form is saved to the Excel file. Alright, so this is the thing. We have some response, someone does it, it comes in our app, and this is like even in the real thing. So basically what is all this is happening is that when we are clicking send, so it gets a link. That link is sent to our Excel sheet and the table appears. Now all we are actually doing is here, instead of having the questions here, we are having it in this app and we are coding that. So first we come here, we get our form response, we copy, we paste all this thing, and ta-da, here we go, and our app is ready. Now all we got to do is build it, and let's try it. So I'll switch to my another camera and show you.